Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best tie-dye kits that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Tulip One Step 15 Color Kit. This Tulip One Step tie-dye kit is the best all-around tie-dye kit. It's super easy to use, and comes with everything you need, except the t-shirts. The kit includes 15 bottles with pre-measured dye powder, 5 pairs of gloves, a whole bunch of rubber bands, and instructions. It also comes with a plastic cover to protect your tabletop. This kit is perfect for beginners and experienced dyers alike. You really like how the Tulip one-step dye process eliminates the need to pre-soak your fabric in soda ash. This makes it so much easier to skip right to the fun part, tie-dyeing. The Tulip One Step 15 Color Tie-Dye Kit includes all of the tie-dye supplies you need to make your party for 5 pop with over-the-top color and creativity. Stocked with 15 bottles of vibrant one-step dye, supplies and an inspiration guide, this kit gives your 5 tie-dye partygoers easy access to tons of tie-dye fun. Moving on at number 4, we have Tulip One Step Tie-Dye Kit Party Kit. If you're looking for a kit with a wide variety of colors, they recommend this tie-dye kit from Tulip. This kit has an extended rainbow palette of Tulip dye colors, 18 unique colors. The Tulip One Step 18 Color Tie-Dye Kit includes all of the tie-dye supplies you need to make your party for 6 pop with over-the-top color and creativity. Stocked with 18 bottles of vibrant one-step dye, supplies and an inspiration guide, this kit gives your 6 tie-dye partygoers easy access to tons of tie-dye fun. Includes everything you need except the t-shirts. At number 3, we have Tulip One Step Tie-Dye Kit. The t-shirts we dyed with the Tulip One Step Tie-Dye Kit were the brightest and boldest, with very little effort or mess. The small squeeze bottles are easy to handle and come pre-filled with powdered dye, so all you have to do is add warm water and shake carefully to combine. Also included are 2 pairs of basic disposable gloves and 20 just right rubber bands. It took approximately 1/3 of the bottle to cover 1 t-shirt, so 3 bottles of dye should yield approximately 9 t-shirts. If you want to tie-dye more than 9 items, you can buy a kit that comes with more bottles or purchase additional tie-dye refill packs and reuse the squeeze bottles. And since the dye needs to set for only 6 to 8 hours before you rinse and wash, you can create a beautiful tie-dye project from start to finish in a single day. Compare that with the Jacquard tie-dye kit we tested, which takes longer and is more involved, requiring the extra step of pre-soaking in soda ash and setting the dye for 12 to 24 hours. At number 2, we have Tulip Electric Neons Tie-Dye Kit. For tie-dyed creations that truly pop, consider Tulip's neon-themed kit. The included dyes present shocking electric colors under natural light and, because they're UV reactive, deliver extra pizzazz when exposed to black light. You get neon orange, neon pink, neon yellow, and neon green, all ready to use with no mixing required. Simply shake the bottles and apply through the precision nozzle. Note that the colors do wash out the more you run fabrics through the washing machine. And finally at number 1, SEI Classic Tie-Dye Kit. The SEI Tumble Dye Classic Tie-Dye Kit comes with water-based and non-toxic colors that are easy and convenient to use. This best tie-dye kit comes with 8 highly pigmented colors that can dye up to 20 shirts. These colors can be used on various fabrics and items like t-shirts, sweatshirts, shoes, pants, pillowcases, sheets, or blankets. This tie-dye kit is a fun DIY project that you can try at home for your kids' birthday parties or get-togethers. It requires minimal effort and does not need pre-soaking in salts, soda ash, or hot water. All you need to do is shake and spray the colors and let the fabric air dry completely and heat set. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.